So, this is a short video tutorial on how to complete your graduation project journal number 3. This is the third and final journal project you'll actually do for the reflection journals that you have to have. You've already completed number 1 and number 2. This is number 3. So, just like before, you want to make sure you have your headings correctly. So, you want to start here. You want to make sure that you're in no spacing instead of normal. And you want to make sure that your spacing is 2, double space. All right, so you want to first type your name. You want to have English 12, or you can put English IV, one or the other. You want to have your teacher's name, in this case, Miss Winsley, and then you want to type out the date. You want to type out the entire date. No numbers. So at this point, you want to enter at least 2 times. So you want to go ahead and in the center, put graduation project journal number 3. Now this does need to be centered, so you can do this one of 2 ways. You could either go ahead and type it, highlight it, and then click here to center, or you can do Control-E on your keyboard. Once you've done that, then you're going to press enter 1 time. Now, let's talk about the topic. Graduation project journal number 3 is student choice. It can be anything you want. So you want to make it at least 75 to 100 words. So at this point, you can reflect on the entire graduation project process. You could talk about any obstacles you had. You could talk about finally finishing your project. You could talk about the experience you had with your mentor. You could talk about the experience you had creating your product. It can literally be anything, but it needs to be at least 75 to 100 words. Your font can either be Times New Roman or Calibri 12, no bigger than 12. Once you have that, make sure you do a proper spell check. Check it for any spelling, read it once through, and then you want to save it. When you save it, of course, you want to go to File, Save As, and you want to save it as your last name, _ GP Journal 3. And that is your graduation project journal number 3.